This next concept that we're going to cover in 4.4 has to do with tangency. And so the one thing that is true for tangency is it involves curves. Okay, so in order for things to be tangent, you have to include a curved figure, or a curved side to the figure. So you can have a tangent line to a circle, and so historically speaking, it's that a straight line is said to touch a circle, means to be tangent to it, meeting the circle and does not cut the circle. What the historical wording of cut the circle means that it intersects it a secondary time. So it enters the circle and then leaves the circle, so there'd be two intersections. So this is a tangent line to a circle. Okay, this is referred to as the point of tangency. And then again, anything that involves a curve can have tangent. So two circles can be tangent to one another. And there could be another circle tangent as well on the interior of one of these circles. And so as long as they don't cut one another, intersect more than one place, and you can have elements that are tangent. And so let's look through a couple questions. These questions are contained on a PDF form, so you don't have to write them all down. If you look on that middle content section for Chapter 4, the 4.4 PDF notes will have these pages. Okay, so let's look at these questions and kind of go through them together. So can a circle be tangent to a triangle at one point? Is that possible? Yes, you can have it being tangent on the outside. You can also have the circle being tangent on the inside. So that is possible. Okay, what about 2 points? Can you have a circle that intersects, is tangent to the triangle in 2 places? Here would be a case, 2 points of tangency. So that is possible. What about 3 points? Again, it's possible. Here's 1, 2, 3 points of tangency. What about 4 points? Is there any way to get another tangent through here? No. So it can only go up to the number of those straight lines that the figure has. Okay, so if we were looking at these illustrations in problem 2, okay, determine whether each one is tangent. So are these 2 elements here tangent, the circle and triangle? Yeah, they have 3 shared points. So yes, these are tangent. What about B, the 2 circles? Patrick, question? No. It can be tangent in just like this, in either 2 or 1 as well. Okay, the 2 circles, they share one common point, so once again, those are tangent. What about these 2 circles? This would be the example of they cut off one another. They have these 2 shared points, but there's also some shared interior points in this. So because it enters and then leaves the circles, this would not be considered tangent. And then finally, if you look at this circle and this segment, they do only share 1 point. But remember, if an element is, if a one-dimensional element here is tangent to another element or figure, it has to be part of a tangent line. So if we were to extend this radius or segment into a line, it would now cut off or cut through this circle. It would have another intersection. So once again, this would not be considered tangent. Hey, can a line be tangent to more than one distinct circle? So can you draw a line that's tangent to more than one circle? Yeah. In fact, again, you can kind of include an infinite number of circles that are tangent to that same line. Hey, can a circle be tangent to more than one line? So if we take a circle, can we draw more than one tangent to this? Yeah. If you have it shared, again, you could draw an infinite number of tangents along this circle. Okay, so that's yes for both of these. Can a line be tangent to another line? So I mentioned right here, in order to have tangency, you have to have a curved side involved, or a curved segment or piece. So can a line be tangent to another line? No. How about, can a line be tangent to a triangle? No, there's no curves. A rectangle, no curves. Regular hexagon, no curves. What about a semicircle? Now you have the curved surface, so it is possible to have a tangent, assuming there's just one common point. So a semicircle is yes, and then of course a circle. All of these are examples here.